What is going on, guys? So I haven't been out flying in a really long time, so I decided to get out today. And originally I was going to a parking garage at a community college campus, and I started getting anxious about it. So cut to the chase, long story short, just gonna have a little bit of a talk on safety and legalities, I guess. I wanted to fly this parking garage on a school campus, and today being Martin Luther King Day, nothing's open, but their security, which consists of actual police officers, they operate 24 hours, 7 days a week. So I decided to reach out to the chief of police and just tell him what my motives were and if it was allowed to go and fly this parking garage without getting into any kind of trouble. And I ended up sending him an email because I was too anxious to talk on the phone. Luckily, he responded really quick and told me no. He said that it was closed, so pedestrian and vehicle traffic, and he couldn't authorize it. So I said thank you for the quick reply, and decided to go out to this park where I filmed here before with this gazebo and just get some packs in before it starts raining here. So talking about, you know, legalities and just playing it safe, like I see a lot of YouTubers or FPV pilots going out to these abandoned buildings and parking structures and flying, and it looks super awesome. And I want to do it so bad, but I just also don't want to get in trouble because somebody does own the property. Just one thing to keep in mind, like when you're looking to go fly a new spot, you know, try to reach out if you can find like the owner or something, and you know, just reach out to them and ask if you could get permission, let them know what you're doing, and puts everybody at ease. But doing something like that also helps the hobby in general. You know, it doesn't give us such a negative image as far as like, you know, trespassing on private property, and you know, it's all FPV pilots, they just trespass wherever and go fly their drones, break shit. No, it's not like that. And even the people I see, like, they're not harming anybody, they're not harming anything. You got to remember that somebody does own a property, whether it's abandoned or not. You know, just play it safe. If you feel anxious about flying somewhere, just reach out to somebody and ask. That's as simple as that. Just make sure that you're not harming anybody, you're not flying past somebody's head, and simple as that. Now that I'm here, I am going to rip a couple packs. All right, well, that ended sooner than I liked it to. I had one more pack to go, but luckily I didn't end up breaking my drone. I actually just ended up losing an arm screw in here, and the arm was moved over and the propellers were hitting each other. So I'm happy I got to go out. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've been out, and today we're hitting 40 degrees Fahrenheit here. That feels like summer compared to 10s and 20s. So like I said, you know, play it safe. Talk to people if you're unsure whether you should be flying there or not. You could always go to local parks. Just, you know, always be aware of people. Hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and always check your equipment before you go out. Check for loose screws, broken parts. I'm usually pretty good at that, but like I said, I've been wanting to get out and fly for a while now. Completely put that aside. I'm like, yep, props look good, let's go, send it. Yeah, always check your equipment before you fly. Even with my DJI when I do jobs, that's part of the job, is always going through and checking to make sure everything is flight worthy or airworthy. But yeah, that's it, guys.